Welcome to the end of boring videography. AION is an authoring tool for producing buttery smooth, cinematic GoPro footage, bringing the power of a professional film crew to the palm of your hand, the means to unleash the true potential of your GoPro. Unlike any stabilizer before, AION introduces many firsts, like a flush-mounted LCD screen for framing each shot, a gamepad-like joystick that pans and tilts to keep focus on your subject, a long-lasting, rechargeable battery to even juice your GoPro as you film. We also invite you to get creative with a built-in GoPro accessory mount. By taking great care in crafting the world's most ergonomic stabilizer, AION is uniquely curved to fit comfortably right in the palm of your hand. Intuitively designed, it delivers an unparalleled user experience. To be sure, we tested our product on people of all ages and abilities, everyday consumers, pro athletes, cinematographers, even kids. We also made the conscious decision to align all details before launching to separate ourselves from other crowdfunded campaigns. The product design, prototyping, and testing are all finished, so your money goes straight to getting your product. Commercial units will be rolling off the production line early 2016. Hey, your GoPro is great, but couldn't it use a helping hand? Pre-order your AION today and shoot video worth watching.
GoPros have revolutionized the world of video and photography when it comes to action sports. But the reality is, most of us spend more time hanging with friends than hanging in midair. Introducing the EXO GP1. A brand new way to make your GoPro go further. The GoPro is an incredible camera for a lot of applications, but what we're doing is helping people revitalize and reinvent their GoPros. The first major feature that the GP1 adds is the optical viewfinder. Previously, there was no way to frame your shots without an external screen or monitor. This clever feature gives you a simple way to see what you're shooting and allows you to use your GoPro just like a regular DSLR or stills camera. The second feature is the increased size of our design. This adds an ergonomic grip to what was originally an awkward and clumsy form factor.
For me, having a comfortable camera to hold is really important, and that stems right across from a large professional camera that I would use normally right down to a smaller camera. You don't need to have your large, massive camera for every type of shoot.
The third is the 1/4-inch tripod mount. This allows compatibility with thousands of third-party accessories that are commonplace in the camera industry. When designing the GP1, we not only wanted to increase the usability when it comes to stills photography, but we also wanted to add more functionality to the video capabilities. We installed a cold shoe mount, which allows you to add numerous accessories such as microphones, LED panels, handles for those super low-angle shots, and even an iPhone mount to use as a monitor while filming. We've also incorporated a strap, which allows you to always have your GoPro on hand rather than having to store it in your backpack or in your pocket. The camera's constantly at the ready, just like a regular DSLR or stills camera. The body's made of solid aluminium and provides ample protection for the GoPro. We've also started to develop a series of filters that will be available for purchase shortly after the first units ship. These will add all sorts of functionality, from ND filters that reduce the shutter speed to polarizing, graduated and colorizing filters. We've designed this product from the ground up to represent the way the majority of people actually use their GoPros. The EXO GP1 revitalizes your GoPro and allows you to use it in all new ways. Be the first to own the new EXO GP1 and make your GoPro go further.
The world around us is changing as we speak, and with that change comes a constant evolution of capturing devices. GoPro allowed us to be present in this world, recording her beauty while being there, right in the action. Drones allow us to take beautiful, steady aerial images from the sky. We combine best of both worlds and created Air. Air lets you take aerial videos and photos simply by throwing your GoPro.
Hi guys, my name is Mark, and I started out Air with a couple of friends almost a year ago. What started out as a fun experiment to get our GoPros in the air without the use of a drone turned out to be an amazing experience on its own, and the results, they look more alive and dynamic than ever before. The feeling you get when you freely throw your GoPro in the air is one that we want to share with everyone, and that's why we are bringing it to you fast. The manufacturing, it is all done in the Netherlands, and we are ready to go the minute we reach our goal. We are very curious to see what you're going to do with Air. Step up your GoPro game and back us today.
Is it on? Between the endless hours of sifting through hundreds of extra photos, dealing with wasted memory space and lost battery life, we decided it was time to improve the GoPro experience. Introducing GoHawk, a new way to capture the action. The GoHawk is an expansion pack that adds exciting new features to your GoPro Hero 4. The GoHawk is a plug-and-play solution that adds an external shutter switch, remote LED indicator, and allows you to connect a USB power input so you can shoot all day. With the GoHawk, you can use any type of remote shutter trigger, including bite, tongue, and handlebar switches. Set your camera to continuous or burst photo mode to grab high-quality still photos of the action and only the action. Our flexible LED indicator lets you know when you are ready to shoot and when to add the auxiliary battery. The red LED mimics the camera's record and shutter lights, no matter what mode you are shooting in. GoHawk uses a side latch to secure to the back of the GoPro Hero 4 to ensure that it stays put. The design is compatible with existing GoPro cases. The GoHawk is perfect for action sport photographers and videographers who want more control over their shooting. After 10 long months of development, we created a better solution that works right out of the box, requiring no additional software.
Hi, I'm Zach, founder of Poe Labs and creator of the GoHawk. We need your help to cover the cost of production. Thanks for your support.
These have transformed the way that we record video. I'm going to show you how to take it to the next level. Introducing Vitrima Lens. It changes the way you record, literally. The same camera you use every day will now be recording in 3D. Vitrima is made to be durable and lightweight, so you can take it with you anywhere. Just put the lens on and that's it. You're good to go. Can you imagine recording this, and this, and this, all in immersive 3D? We can, because we did. You might have seen someone with one of these 3D rigs, but probably not. They're bulky and super expensive. On top of that, you need extra software just to create the 3D videos. Vitrima is different. It creates the same 3D effect with just one camera. And its video is ready to be watched. No software needed. Just upload and enjoy. How? Well, you see depth because you have two eyes. They see things from slightly different perspectives, and your brain combines them so you can see depth. Don't believe me? Well, try catching a ball with one eye closed. Vitrima does the same thing. It uses mirrors to record two perspectives. The videos end up looking like this. When you watch them in a viewer, they're 3D. We're actually going to start shipping Vitrima Lens before the end of the campaign. That's right, we're shipping the lenses before the campaign even finishes. We came to Indiegogo to find people who wanted to change the way that we record. So what's your 3D story? Is it climbing El Capitan, surfing the Gold Coast, or just turning your cat into a superhero? If you want to be among the first to start recording your life in 3D, then pick up a Vitrima Lens and let's take recording to the next level.
The GoPro Session is an awesome camera, with one exception, battery life. When I needed more battery life for my GoPro Session, internet searches turned up nothing. So I thought there must be a way to make one. It was 12:30 at night in my office and I finally discovered a way to make an extended battery for the GoPro Session. Working with Sabrent Technologies, I was finally able to get my idea off the ground. I'm excited to introduce to you the Extra Pro, the world's first extended battery for the GoPro Session. The battery in the Extra Pro is actually twice as large as the one in the GoPro Session. That just means when you connect the Extra Pro to your Session, you'll actually get 3 times the charging space compared to the Session by itself. Another great feature of the Extra Pro is that they charge independently of the GoPro Session. So you can film with your Session and as soon as it runs out of battery, you just pop it on and you're ready to go. Along with the Extra Pro, we also created a low profile case and a waterproof case as well. No more breaks, no more hassle, and no more need to charge. It's been a long journey. Through many different prototypes and iterations, we finally can say that that dream can now be a reality. But now to finish the final stages, we need your help. So ride the wave with us and join the team. Check out our Kickstarter campaign and spread the word. Be a part of Extra Pro.
I am a professional photographer and have been traveling with GoPro for years. With the traditional GoPro stand, it takes minutes to release and tighten the screws to install and adjust the camera, which could slow down our trips and make us miss precious moments. Having endured the inconvenience for years, I decided to design a new stand. By chance, I saw an ancient seal, of which 14 stamps were carved on a polyhedron stone. It inspired me to invent my new stand, Slopes. Slopes is the world's first polyhedron support for GoPro. Thanks to its 3-in-1 slot and polyhedron button, Slopes provides 20 different ways to position GoPro. And it is even smaller than a GoPro housing. No tripod is needed any longer. Slopes provides an unrivaled positioning speed. Select a supporting surface according to the marked angle. Insert your GoPro into a slot, and you are all set. If one direction is in depression, the opposite elevated. All you need to do is to plug and place. which could be finished in 2 seconds. Slopes has 20 settings to meet all your needs. 7 landscape pitches, 8 portrait ones, and 4 rolls. When you want to keep it flat on the ground, but be afraid of scratching GoPro, you can use it this way. Slopes is ultra slim. You can use it almost everywhere should there be a small piece of platform. The whole roll would be your tripod. Slopes can also provide ultra low viewpoint without hugging. It avoids issues like low quality audio recording, lens glare, and overheating. If you have 2 GoPro, you can utilize the Slopes side joint to form a dual GoPro 3D system. Slopes can also benefit the post-composition. 2 pictures shot with the same bottom surface could be composited perfectly due to the same view angle. Slopes. The stand understands GoPro better.
Do you love your GoPro, but hate how it runs out of battery so quickly? Do you find yourself constantly looking at the battery level during your adventure? And are you worried about dropping your GoPro or damaging the lens every time you change batteries? The Motor Wireless Charger keeps your GoPro charged at all times, so you can have more fun with your camera and focus less on the battery level. Leave your camera safely in its housing and charge it wirelessly. The Motor Wireless Charger for GoPro works with all batteries made for Hero 3 and Hero 4. I love using my GoPro, but I dread being distracted from the adventure that I'm having and to concentrate on the battery level or to wrestle with the housing to potentially expose the lens to damage or getting it dirty. Super simple, fully wireless, and eliminates the need to wrestle with the housing. With plenty of power, you'll be able to get the GoPro, spare batteries, and your smartphone charged. We've developed this special technology optimized for the GoPro. You're going to be able to use any Hero 3 and Hero 4 compatible batteries, so you don't need to invest on a whole new set. You're going to be able to charge your GoPro on the go and be ready to shoot immediately. And finally, you're going to have a spare battery available to you, as well as the ability to charge your smartphone at any time.